Do you want to finish off the pieces that?
No, you have to do it.
No, I'll do it.
Yes, because you have to.
No.
Because I'm not good at straightening hair.
Lindsay, how do I charge your battery?
Put batteries in it.
Whoa.
Oh, okay.
Do you have
That
batteries?
works.
Maybe.
See if you have batteries.
No, I don't think we should.
I don't know.
Was I talking to you? I don't think so.
Oh.
You just got owned.
Hey, guess what?
Let's have a burping
I always
contest.
tell people when they're straightening my hair. Don't
Okay, who wants to go first? Okay,
No
Rachel?
offense to you or anything. Just-
Okay.
I have
Burp.
this stuff that I put
Caitlin,
in my
burp.
hair that
But I need to drink soda.
I would have to drink soda to burp too.
Ew! Where the frick is
I can't burp on my hand.
I can. Well, I learned that at Alex's house. Like last time I went to Alex's house, and I kept on going, "What's this stuff?" She's like, "What's Sarah?"
Oh, that's so...
Hey, Caitlin, what is
But
this?
it's
Let's
so
talk.
cool.
I would laugh after you put it
Yeah.
on your face.
That's all I asked. What is
Not
it?
good enough. We're gonna have to keep on straightening.
Ew, what's it? Ew, it looks orange.
It is orange.
Hey, Taylor,
Like
can you
I don't
finish my
think
hair?
that would be legit, but I think
Yeah, you should, because I'm not very good at this.
I'm not good at it either.
your mom's.
Taylor, come do it.
Instead, I
Do you just call me Sailor? My name is
I was
Taylor.
gonna say Sarah.